A lot of website owners think that privacy laws only affect businesses and companies that are based in Europe. But if your website gets visitors from places like California, Canada, UK, Brazil, and the EU, there's a really good chance there's going to be at least one privacy law that applies to your website. Privacy laws aren't just something that affects the really big companies. Over the past few years, more countries, states, and regions have given more control to people with regards to how their personal data is collected and used online. The challenge is that a lot of website owners have no idea how big and vast their global audience actually is. So if you think that privacy laws are just for people in the EU, the European Union, you need to think again. Now, I'm sure you've heard about GDPR, which is very much relevant in the UK and the EU. But what about the CCPA and the CPRA in California? And do you really want me to tell you about all of the other laws that are going to be in all the different states? Utah, Colorado, Virginia, Florida, Texas. Have you ever heard of PIPE? in Canada or the LGPD in Brazil. Even a small business website might receive visitors from around the world. So when it comes to managing your website, you need to make sure you're on top of privacy requirements. It's all about understanding what is happening on your website so that you can start to make informed decisions before the regulations become something that you end up reacting to. Let's have a look at what kind of cookies I can find on this website with the CookieBot plugin by Usercentrics. And I've gone and logged into my CookieBot dashboard. I'm going to go to this particular website. I've got a few plugins on this website, but how many cookies are being loaded behind the scenes? I'm going to do a domain scan, and it tells me I've got 19 cookies present on my website. And if I go to the Cookie and Reports tab, I can now see a list of them. And there's going to be items on here that you probably weren't even aware of, like Google Analytics. There's even WooCommerce cookies coming through, and I haven't even built any products or set the cart or the checkout or the shop pages up yet. I've got a YouTube video embedded on the homepage, and now there's cookies coming through for that. And if I go over to reports, there was one I ran when I had a few more plugins like a Talk to Chat plugin. I had a Facebook pixel on the website, and that had 64 cookies. And that was such an eye-opener because all I had was like 2 or 3 extra plugins on there, and it started loading through so much more. Isn't it a bit alarming that potentially as you add more plugins to your website, you could be setting yourself up to a rude awakening? It's so easy to overlook your Google Analytics cookies, your YouTube, your Facebook pixels, your WooCommerce. Maybe you've got a live chat widget. Maybe you've got an embedded Google map. All of these things will add up. CookieBot does categorize the cookies for you so you can start to think a little bit more about how important they are. The 4 categories are necessary, statistics, preferences, and marketing. The necessary are the ones that need to be there for your website to function in terms of navigation moving around. Preferences are where the website can remember certain bits of information. It could be something like your language selection. Statistics is going to collect analytical information so we can understand how the users are using the website. Marketing is where they collect a little bit of info so they can target relevant adverts. Luckily, CookieBot handles the categorization for you. And I should point out that if you're still a little bit unsure, just click on the arrow and you'll now get some further details about what it's doing. So what can you do if you want to now start protecting your website because you are collecting information? What I recommend you do is go over to configuration, go down to compliance, and then go to territory where you can go and select your relevant region. Or you could also go to legislation presets at the top there. So if you know your visitors are only ever going to come from the EU and nowhere else around the world, you could apply the preset. But maybe to play safe, I will just go for all visitors. This is exactly why visibility matters. How many website owners have any idea about what kind of cookies or tracking technology is happening on their website? I'd rather have the peace of mind with CookieBot that's going to scan my website and then build the picture. We can't all be legal experts in understanding all of the privacy laws, and they're going to be expanding. It's more about understanding what's happening on our website so we can make better decisions moving forwards.